Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be doing a video on the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. This is my second video on her Obsessions collection, and the emerald one is green. It has beautiful shadows, and I'm gonna give you some swatches right now. And I did my a video on the Amethyst Obsession palette. If you didn't see my video, I'm gonna link it below. So here are the swatches for this particular palette, the emerald. They are beautiful green. I have to say the matte on this one swatched a little better than the amethyst ones. Yes, today we have our charge function, so I'm trying to look like I'm trying to glam up. So for my transition color, I'm gonna be using this palette, and this is the Nubian, and this is by Juvia's. If you don't know Juvia's, they have fantastic pigmented eye shadow palettes, hands down. This is one of their natural palettes. I absolutely love this company, and I'm gonna be using that brown right there as my transition color because the emerald palette just had like all greens, and I didn't find anything natural for my transition color that I wanted to use. I've already put primer on my eyes, my eyeshadow base, and I've used the Sigma Beauty Persuade, and I'm gonna now put this on, but it's just a natural brown transition color. And all you need to do is just use the windshield wiper motions, like back and forth like that. And always remember, less is more. If you don't feel like you had enough, you can always go back in. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more on this eye. And remember, I told you guys I have a hooded eye, so for me I have to put the shadow a little bit higher, like on my brow bone right there. Now we're gonna go to the green. I'm excited about this one. I'm gonna start off with the dark one, that one, and I'm gonna put it on the corners of my eye because it's pretty dark, and I want it to look like a greenish smoky eye kind of look. So I'm gonna go in there first and put it in there, kind of make it like an outer V, like that, and then you bring it up like this so it looks like a V. This also tends to give depth to your eye. Kind of bring it down here. And the little brush I'm using, this one is small shadow brush number 220, and I've used this one before in the It Cosmetic brush collection. All right, we'll blend all that. I want to go in with that green, but before I do that, I kind of want to put glitter primer that I got the last time. It's an NYX glitter primer. We have a Gatsby themed glam thingy at church today, and I forgot to mention I already did my eyebrows off camera. Okay, I'm gonna get that middle shade that I showed you guys on the same brush, and I'm gonna put it right there. That is bright, and we'll blend it all in. Today I'm being bold. I want to try 4 colors. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used earlier, the transition shade, and just kind of blend the 2 colors. No, I'll take a clean brush and do this. And this is just blending the 2 colors together, so we don't have, sorry guys, so we don't have a harsh line. I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna put it on top of that green that I just put. Actually, a finger is way better than with a brush. I'm gonna take again that color, and I just have to swatch this one to show you this is glitter, like oh my god, right there. Hold on, I need a brush for this one. I'm getting a little bit of clumping and a little bit of fallout. So basically what I did was the darkest, mixed two light ones and the lightest in the middle. I'm sorry, in the corners of my eye. I'm gonna blend this all look again. Just make sure that it all blended in and looks good. That glitter primer glue is no joke. Stuff just holds, it doesn't move at all. Alright guys, so I'm gonna fix my face now. I'm gonna be using my regular NARS Smooth Primer and Protect primer for my face. The foundation I'm gonna be using today is a Cover FX Power Play, and my color is N100. And I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this foundation, this Cover FX foundation. It's pretty smooth, natural looking. And the brush I'm using is from Sigma. By now I'm sure you guys know that I love this company's brush, and this is the Flat Kabuki number F80, F for France, and their brushes are very absolutely soft, and I've had these brushes for like 2 years and they are still as good as new. Alright, we'll be concealing with my favorite concealer, and this one is the NARS Dark One Cafe. I have some blemishes up here, so I'm going to be using a concealer, and I'm going to be using the Sigma Concealer Blend Kabuki F79. My absolute spot conceal best brush. They have the line that's a precision line also. Those ones are literally like your fingers. They're tiny brushes and they go exactly where you want them to go. That was a concealer that was matching my skin tone. Now we're gonna highlight, and we're gonna use a concealer that's lighter than my skin tone. And this one is the NARS Radiant Cream. As by now you know guys, I use Armande Medium Dark 3. And we're highlighting because that is where mostly the light will hit. If you're taking like a picture, this is where the light hits. This is my damp beauty blender, and pat it in, pat in it. I'm gonna set that with a Cover FX in translucent dip. And I'm gonna let that sit just a little bit. I don't bake for too long. All right, I'm gonna contour today, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Espresso in Espresso, the color Espresso. This is pretty dark, and again that brings like shadow on your, so you look chiseled. So I'm gonna take, see the shape of this brush, it goes up like that, and this is the Sigma Angled Kabuki F84. Alright, then to set that contour, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever, and I think this is S118. This is their darkest shade that they have. I decided I wanted to have a little pop in the corners of my eyes, so I brought this ColourPop Amaze. I don't know if you remember this color. It is gorgeous. And I'm going to put it on the corners of my eye because I really want this to pop just a little bit more than it's popping right now. For my top lid, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty black eyeliner, and it's called Cause I'm Black. Yeah. For my bottom lashes, I'm just using a regular, just any black eyeliner. What I want to do is clean up my eyebrow, and you just go under the brow and you follow the line and you go down. I'll come back and clean that up. Usually you would do this and then you bring down the concealer to serve as your primer, but I forgot to do that. There are no rules in makeup. If you forget something, oh well, just go back and clean it up. Today I want to try something different. I want to use this mascara with a Clinique brush. For my bottom lashes, I went in, popped my lashes, and I dressed up because I'm running late for this church function. And for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D. Oh God, this is I don't remember the shade of it, the color of it. I'm sorry, I don't remember the name of it. Usually I would use a neutral, like a gloss with a lip liner, because we have a lot going on in the eyes. But since it's a Gatsby kind of a theme in church, I'm going all glam. So this is a liquid lipstick. I've already primed my lips. I really like this Kat Von D one because it's pretty comfortable. To set the look up, as usual, I'm gonna use my Sephora powder. And again, I'm just gonna pat in everything that we've done. I'm also gonna wipe. And then I'm gonna set the whole look using the MAC Fix Plus. This is in the Rose, that's the name. So I want to show you guys my mask, what my costume looks like. I don't know which way I'm gonna wear it. I bought this on Amazon, and it came a set with these beads that I'm wearing, and the gloves. Darling, let's put on some gloves. Alright, my computer's about to die, so if it dies, oh well. You all know how I'm gonna look like in church today. I cannot wait to see how everybody else is dressed up. This is fun. I've never been to one of these events before, so I'm really looking forward to this. What's up? Anyway, I'm done, guys, fooling around. But that's all for today. Let me know what you think. I need to get over here and get going. Let me know what you think about this palette. I absolutely love the emerald one. I didn't get the ruby one because I felt it was a bit of a duplicate with what I already have in my collection. But I really love the emerald and the amethyst. And again, I'll put a link of the amethyst video that I did earlier. Again, let me know what you think. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.